Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have seen many export format so far. Today we will see how to export WaterGEMs file into Shapefile. So let's start the video. We know all the export format are begins from export, but for Shapefile you won't get any Shapefile option in export. You have to go to the individual FlexTable. So export the pipe table, junction table, tank, reservoir, or so on. So first we will see how to export this pipe table. Only these columns are visible to us, are get extracted from the WaterGEMs. So to extract you have to select those columns you want to export. So I will select all the columns. Okay, then you will see the option here, export to the file. Click on that. It will ask you the location. So I will name it pipe table. Click on save and click OK. Here we are having some errors. The shapefile field start node ID for column start node ID cannot be longer than 10 characters. There is a limitation of the naming the file. You cannot exceed 10 characters in this column. So we will see this start node ID has uh, 12 characters in name. So we will reduce that. So I will rename this start node ID to start n ID, and then we have start node and stop node ID. I will also change stop node ID to stop n ID. So it will reduce its character length. Then click on OK. It will export it into shapefile. You can simply go to the folder and see the pipe table has been exported in shapefile. So on, you can also export junction table. Click all the characters and export file name junction table. Click on save and OK. All the file will be exported in shapefile. Okay, uh, same as you can export all the necessary files from here. If you want to export isolation walls, go to the walls, select the walls and save all the walls. Here you will see the IDs are more than 10 character. So I will shorten their names. Okay, and click on S. So it will be exported in pipe table, junction table, walls. So that's how you can export files in Shapefile. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries and questions, you can comment below or follow me on LinkedIn.